exact same time.
Yeah.
係咯。我佢個 sensor 喺上高啊，我 sensor 喺上高啊。哦，佢所以擺喺個胸口嗰個位度。係啦，係啦，係啦。
Maximum rope speed, 450 feet per minute.
Definitely not running that. This is probably like 375.
Yeah.
350.
It's going to be really hard to calculate it for sure because of all the slows and stops. So
Yeah.
Hang on, wait on.
Uh-oh. Some people just do not know how to run. Look at his tiny toes.
Yeah. Did you get that?
Yeah. I'm going to all ride with him. He's just going to fall off.
If they still had both of them here, I think they might have ran both of them.
Well, they need a lot of staff for that so much.
They do. Well, it'd be useful if they had both of them going.
Yeah.
Seeing the line this thing.
God, this thing is so...
These chairs are not
It's pretty cool, though.
These chairs are not exactly comfortable.
I think they're pretty comfortable.
Oh, the backrest. It's beautiful. So
I'll just never run, so it don't really bother me.
here's the paint is holding up pretty good.
Yeah. Just look at the shoes.
I think I can understand what that might have been made of.
Tower.
Yeah. I think that's a tower from the Snowshed 2.
Is this one? I thought this was two. This is one.
Yeah, this was one.
Clouds are moving.
To be honest, this is actually a nice ride.
Yeah. Calm, comfortable. As long as it doesn't slow and stop.
Nothing yet.
Is this running? Yeah, it is. Look, it's like a rope tow.
Yeah. Overlooking what we did that.
Yeah.
I gotta go alone next time. I think the sheaves are original.
They are. Yeah. Towers. Is that needles on? Up there?
Yeah, that is. Oh wait, no, that's.
That's needles on.
Oh, it is. Yeah. Skyship's further. You can
Yeah.
see it.
This is where we came in.
Yeah, right here. put a charger in my coat so I can, if you sit near an outlet during lunch, I can charge it.
It's not that it doesn't have enough charge. I just kind of want to like be able not to put it on.
No, I brought that. So
Yeah.
I brought that.
No, I know. It says like no ice on it.
No what?
Ice.
Yeah.
Ah, the sun feels good.
Want to go over to Needle's Eye and ski that?
Yeah, let's do that.
I know where we could find some powder there. There's a cool trail name over there.
What?
I think that might be icy though, because they groom it.
Yeah.
I think middle of Needle's Eye.
It wiped out like 5 times.
It was horrible.
Yeah.
I'll do a report today. I'll probably do it on both Killington and Newington skis.
I'll do it on Newington ski.
Yeah, no.
I made an account. It has about the lamest motor sound ever. Well, I know it. Which has the lamest motor sound. Big snow quad. Like, it has no motor sound. It's like silent. Well, actually, Ram Charger doesn't have a motor sound.
Well, is it probably insulated?
You can't even hear that one. Ram Charger, like, you'd think it's the return. No.
I think that might have sound insulating on it.
It's just because it's direct drive.
Oh yeah. What exactly is that?
It's basically just one giant motor. It goes straight to the bowl. You don't have a motor, a gearbox.
Oh.
You don't have so many moving parts. You just have that one.
How fast do you think this is?
375,
Yeah.
350.
I'd
I'm
say
jealous of the people on Snowshed right now.
What?
I'm jealous of the people on the quad right now.
I'd say the quad's going 800, 900 maybe.
800.
Yeah.
Can't go any faster.
Oh, can't it go 900?
No. It used to be able to, but I don't think.
So off this, let's take a left and go down High Road.
Oh,
And
there we go.
oh. So let's go down. Let's try Needle's Eye. Needle's Eye. That trail. It actually looked in pretty good shape. They said
did.
the snow report recommended it.
Really?
Yeah.
Just like
They said
oh, look at that.
tornado. Snow tornado. Snowshed Double, a bunch of weird stuff.
Start of it.
On top of all of this, we're stopped just ahead of Tower 13.
Yeah, that I was just gonna say that. We should have ridden the quad, honestly, but we had to ride it.
Well, yeah, no video
Yeah.
exists of it.
It would be interesting to do a race, like quad versus double, like from the start of the line, and see who gets there first.
Yeah.
This is like not long runs.
Not much.
It's just like right here. Oh,
I come back here again. bar? What would you say?
Probably. It depends on the lift.
I think more people would use the bar on Ram Charger.
Yeah. So like, let's do Southern Comfort as an example.
Yeah.
Probably like
Which one's that?
65% didn't use the bar.
Yeah.
That's like behind Ram Charger. It's like on the other side.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
like, it's Uni
Oh.
GS. I hate that lift. It's pretty slow too. They said they'd run at 900, but only ran like 850. Ready?
A little early, but
Yeah.
who cares?
If we fall, we'll die. Well, I guess it wouldn't be fun to be the operator.
Oh,
We have stuff to do.
So reminds you of the picture.
Yeah.
Imagine being the operator. Yeah. Imagine being the operator on the beach bridge. You just
Yeah. That slow button would be like worn out.
yes. Let's head over to Needle's Eye.
Yeah. And ski under Northbrook.
This is the end.
Oh my god, I swear if it stopped.
The sheaves are new too.
Oh yeah.
I wonder that sheaves or shivs.
Shivs.
What?
Shivs.
Shivs.
I used to say shivs.
I can't tell if we're running it slow or full right now. I think we're running
Slow.
it slow.
Yeah. It's kind of nice with no bar.
It is. I actually like Vortex without the bar.
Yeah.
There's that work chair that was in the yard on Memorial Day.
I predicted it. I said it was going to stop before we got to it.
I'm pretty sure that's the same chair.
Yeah. Look at the shivs. Those are really cool.
They're the ones that
Explode.
Challenger has. Sunrise Village Triple has that.
Yeah.
If you want to go over there. No, you might want to go over there just to film it. Well, then really want to go to Bear Mountain.
Yeah.
Later.
But I literally want to jump over. Needle's Eye. We have to go up.
No, oh no, you can.